What's up, guys? Thanks for stopping by the channel. So guys, I'm just having a little walk through in the April today, and I'm just going to stop by in some of these hive and just have a quick look. So these nukes, they are the first set of split that I did for this season. So far everything is looking well. Okay, so I like the population of bees that is in this box. It's showing me that I definitely need to move up 2 frames and add 2 empty frames down below and get them to move up in this box, which they already move up. Only thing they don't start draw combs as yet, guys. As you can see, there they are on the side of the box. So they already move up, guys. They just need to start drawing combs, but the reason why they don't start to do that, the nectar flow kind of slow down now, so they just have to go with the flow. The flow slow down, so they have to slow down as well. So I like how they're looking. And I don't really want them to pass a 10 frame before I switch them over into a 10 frame box, because these frames, they're like a top bar, so I will have to put them in the regular frame, guys. So if I let them pass 10 frames, that's going to be 15 frame, which I will have to transfer over into standard frames. Like this box here, I think they are sitting on 10 frames, and they might move up in this box. Yes, they did, but no frame is up here, so this box definitely is going to get switched out in a 10 frame box, standard box. You can see they're looking well. So by just popping the top and looking down in these hives, I know that all is well, and they're actually showing the signs at the front, as you can see. This is an egg split here. I think they should have moved up in this box by now. No combs. Don't expect to see any comb up here. Oh, they did not move up, but population is looking okay down there. I think the next batch of brood hatch out, they might be moving up on the walls in this second box here. So things is looking okay. Let's see what's going on up here. This is not a split. This is our original hive here, but I took a couple split from it. Here I can see that a place I excluded here, which means some honey frame was left up here. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Oh, those honey frames, they're looking nice. They're looking looking nice down there. They're not really showing. I will have to pull off the stock box and get a better look. Hopefully they don't start eating out the honey from below and trick me with the honey hatch. Okay, so from the population in the box up here, it's looking nice, like they are storing honey above the excluder, but I will have to find some time and go down in the 2 box below that I give the queen, because she might run out of space down there and decide to swarm. To pull out this first frame here. Okay, so this first frame have some weight to it. It's not fully capped though. As you can see, guys, lovely looking honey, and they are working on capping it. Yes, so I'm not going to really pull out anymore. I can see this frame here. Yeah, just remember what was taking place with these frames, guys. The bees, they are backfilling it, the frames going down, but brood is in the frames below. The honey arch that they are filling going down. So I put the queen excluder for when the brood hatch out, the queen don't put more eggs in it. So yeah, by the time those brood hatch out, they might fill those cells with honey if the flow don't stop, because we're getting a lot of rain. So if the flow don't stop, they're going to fill them and cap them off, and then I can harvest this little box of honey here. Or if they don't get the chance to fill those cells, I will just have to harvest what I have here in this box. So I'm just going to add this box back on top. I'm just going to see if they start to put any nectar in these cells up here. I have 2 frames up here. This season everything changed up, guys. By this time of the year, nectar would normally the nectar flow would normally end already. Okay, so just a little specks of nectar in few cells, not much. So seems like they just started to put some nectar up here. As I was saying, guys, the flow would normally end already, but seems like it is still going, because everything kind of set back, guys. Everything came late this year. What is not late is extra early. It's kind of mixture. Okay, guys, so not much up here. They're just trying to store a little up there, but they are not going to rush to put anything up here since they are not finished with the frames below. Okay guys, so I think I'm going to end the video here. Thanks for watching guys. Until next time.